So I'm in the middle of doing my makeup and I recently just picked up the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. I just received it today and I was like, let's do a first impression / review. There are 5 shades for this product. It retails for $30 and currently it's only available online at Sephora and obviously hudabeauty.com. This is what it looks like. It just comes in like a plastic container. I got mine in the shade Light. Their shade range is super crazy. I didn't think I was going to be shade Light, but it looks a little intense. There definitely is a shade for everyone. And this is what the component actually looks like. It's just a square. And like I said, mine's in the shade Light. And then you just twist this. And that is what it looks like. I kind of want to feel the consistency. Ooh, that's super creamy. It really feels like melting chocolate. So that's the color. First off, it's actually really true to color. So how it's appearing in the camera is exactly what it looks like, which looks like a really nice bronzer kind of color. Lately, I've just been using my bronzer as my contour just because I like to do something quick and just throw it on. But that is a good shade. If you're my skin tone and lighter, I think that this shade will definitely work for you. If you have olive complexion, I kind of have more of an olive complexion. I definitely think that this color would work for you as well. Let's apply it to the face. I'm gonna take my grandma's mirror. I'm just gonna use the Real Techniques buffing brush. That's just what I like to use for my cream bronzers. And we're just gonna dip that in there. I've been obsessed with cream products lately. Like, that's all I wear. And I'm just gonna apply this. Woo! Okay, so a little bit goes a really long way, so I'm gonna have to buff that out. Okay, so it's easy to blend out, which is great because when you go in with cream products, you don't want to work it into the skin for hours and hours and hours and then have it look patchy. I don't like when cream products are too sticky to the point where you can't move it around. So this was definitely super easy to blend out, which is good. And now let's see if it's okay. So it's a smidge tacky on the skin, but nothing too serious. It kind of just feels like a regular cream. So I'm going to try to build it up just a little bit more in that area. Okay, so I think it looks really nice when you build it up as well. This actually looks super natural on the skin. I'm hoping the camera's picking it up how natural it looks. It literally just looks like skin. It doesn't look like I applied any kind of cream product at all. Ooh. So let's go into the other side. That's probably too much. Yeah, literally the littlest bit goes such a long way. So literally 2 taps into the product is good enough. Okay, just gonna build it up a little bit more. I like that a lot. That looks really good on the skin. Definitely think it's gonna be one of my new favorite bronzers because I just love how creamy it went onto the face. And I like how compact this is. It's definitely sleek packaging. So obsessed with like the popsicle lip trend right now. It's so pretty. I definitely recommend checking this out. I think that it looks so beautiful on the skin. It looks really natural. It's so easy to blend out, which I really appreciate. I just think that it looks so pretty. That is a super pigmented product, so just be careful if you do end up trying it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the description box down below. Sorry about my camera. This thing literally played me the entire time. Make sure you subscribe, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later.